And here we are back again. I actually went ahead and removed the CPU and fan because I figured it would get ugly, and it almost did. You have to like remove it without bending any of these tiny ass pins. And so yeah, I think it's good. But I need to clean it off. I got some special gunk to clean the thermal paste off. And then I'll be able to remount that in here and get it ready for the new CPU cooler. I did not do a very good job of blowing the dust out of this because I see stuff here on this heat sink. Anyway, this is just going to be a whole lot of another extension cable. Just unscrewing screws around the motherboard. So I'll go ahead and get started. If they fall in this dirty ass bottom of this case, I'm never gonna find them again. Oh yeah, right above the RAM slot. That's a really good place for a screw. I mean, I couldn't have thought of a better placement. What the fuck all? Well, great. My RAM chips. It's gonna go in. Woo! Dirty. Alright. I don't think that's gonna help me. Taking my glasses off might. Oh, yeah, let's take these little screws out of there. Next. These don't have to be screwed in very tight, so they should be easy enough to get out. Usually I have the case flat by this time, but in order to do the video, I needed to see what I was doing instead of sticking my head in the entire case. Which, that's never fun, I'm telling you right now, that is not fun. You're not gonna have a good day. I think I only have one more screw. Wait, there's one. All right. And there we go. Motherboard removed. Yeah, look at this fucking dust balls on my heat sink. So yeah, this is the back panel. And the metal part that goes around it on the case, that's called an I/O panel. It helps ground all these, as far as I know. I'm not an expert. So yeah. House bunnies! Alrighty. So that's what a computer looks like stripped down. What do you think? Oh my god. And I went through my hard drives, and this is just surreal. Most of these are 1.5 gigabytes. And I'm like, what's the point? So, yeah, that can hit the floor. Hit the floor! 1,500. This one might be a 2. Yeah, 2 gigabyte. Well, shit. And this one is a 4 terabyte. So I know that one's going in there. So maybe the 4 and the 2. And in these 3, I'll just have to hot swap out. Alright, well that's all for now. Because now I have to clean up this mess. Like, big mess, to be honest. I don't know if I want to keep this case or not. This is... I mean, if I do, I'm going to have to pull out all the fans, which is, there's only 3. But... oh my god, it's just so fucking filthy. I don't know if I want to. Yeah, it's a hard decision to make. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed that little tidbit, and there will be more. I will get this all set up to mount the motherboard in the new case and get that going. Alright, later!